let's discuss the method of typing. There are two methods of typing. The first one is task typing, which we are going to learn in this course. In this method, one person can type without looking at the keyboard or without even thinking about the positions of the keys. The second method is hand and peck typing. If you don't know task typing, then you may be following this method. I used to do that a few years back. Most of the people usually use two fingers to type in this method. That's why it also called the two-finger method. You will need to look at the keyboard to search the location of the key, then you need to press it. First hand, then pecks. Anyway, in this hand and pecks method, your speed will be a maximum of 30 words per minute. Of course, it will have some exceptions. Some may be able to type faster than that, but it is rare. However, in task typing, you can get the speed of up to 120 words per minute. So if you type 30 words per minute, then a 300-word email will take you 10 minutes to write. But if you can type twice as fast, that means at 60 words per minute, which is very easy to achieve in task typing, then you can write the email in 5 minutes. That's a lot of minutes saved if you write a lot of emails. But other than the fact that it increases the speed of typing, I think the most important aspect is that you would not need to think about the keys while typing. So you can directly put your thoughts down as they come to you. Just like you do when you write by hand, it will definitely help you to think effectively because of the less distraction. If you are a blogger or programmer, it can be a great skill to increase your productivity and efficiency. And in the next lecture, we are going to discuss about how the task typing method actually works.